host a dinner at his residence, and he will be briefing the India bloc leaders about the alleged election rigging in some seats of Karnataka. Remember, over the last few days, Rahul Gandhi has been claiming that he has 100% proof or evidence that there was rigging in Karnataka during the general elections. So on the 8th of August, the India bloc MPs are also all set to hold a protest march to the Election Commission of India, and before that Rahul Gandhi expected to host a dinner at his residence. Niyamika, my colleague, continues to stay live with us. And Niyamika, tell us what this dinner is going to be about. What is the proof that Rahul Gandhi is speaking about, and who is invited?
But recently, Rahul Gandhi has made this claim that it is basically an atom bomb which they have got, as they are very soon going to expose the election commission's malpractices which they have conducted in various elections, whether it is about the state of Maharashtra or Karnataka, or the manner in which this SIR exercise is getting conducted in the state of Bihar. We have seen that how various times it is the opposition leaders who held a protest regarding this entire matter, and now it is going to be a protest march which they are going to lead towards the Election Commission of India's office on 8th of August, in which all the senior members of the India bloc parties are also going to participate. But just ahead of this protest march, there is going to be a crucial meeting which is going to take place at the residence of Rahul Gandhi on 7th of August, in which the senior leaders of the India bloc parties, whether it is Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, M.K. Stalin, and the other party leaders are also going to participate to prepare a strategy that how they are going to take it up, because this is not just related to the state of Bihar, but the other states also. They are making the similar kind of allegations upon the Election Commission of India that it is working at the behest of the BJP, as we have seen that for Karnataka as well. There is going to be a protest tomorrow where Rahul Gandhi is also going to participate, as they are saying that during the time of general elections there were several of the seats where these malpractices have been reported, and for that reason now they have got all the proofs, and very soon they are going to expose the Election Commission regarding this entire matter. We have seen that how he has also got given a threat to the Election Commission officers, are saying that we are not going to spare you wherever you are, whether you are retired or not, but we are going to find you. So that is the kind of a language which has been chosen by Rahul Gandhi when he was speaking about the Election Commission officers. So interestingly, this is how this is going to pan out. We will be seeing in the next upcoming days.